Did you know that millions of travelers pass through airports daily, yet most remain completely unaware of the sophisticated systems operating behind the scenes? Welcome to the World Documentaries, where we uncover the fascinating secrets that aviation hubs don't want you to know. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on one of humanity's most complex transportation networks. Industry data shows that global aviation handles over 4.5 billion passengers annually through tens of thousands of daily flights worldwide. But beneath the polished floors and duty-free glamour lies a carefully orchestrated machine designed not just for transportation, but for profit maximization. These are merely transit points. They're psychological laboratories where every detail influences your behavior and spending habits. The surveillance symphony. Modern airports have transformed into sophisticated surveillance networks that would make intelligence agencies envious. Advanced facial recognition systems, now deployed in over 250 airports globally, track passengers from security checkpoints, while creating detailed behavioral profiles that extend far beyond simple identification verification. These systems can detect suspicious behavior patterns and analyze movement flows throughout terminal facilities. The technology extends beyond cameras to include biometric scanners, heat sensors, and behavioral analysis software that security experts describe as layered intelligence gathering. While airlines and airport authorities emphasize safety enhancements, privacy advocates continue raising important questions about data storage protocols, sharing agreements between agencies, and the long-term implications of such comprehensive personal information collection. The lounge deception. Airport lounges represent one of the aviation industry's most successful marketing illusions, creating artificial exclusivity around spaces that are often more accessible than travelers realize. Many premium credit cards provide complimentary lounge access, yet industry observations suggest that a significant portion of cardholders never utilize this benefit, largely due to effective marketing that portrays these spaces as elite sanctuaries reserved for frequent flyers. The psychological impact extends beyond simple comfort amenities to influence broader spending behavior. Lounge access creates perceived social hierarchy that affects how travelers view their entire airport experience. Studies in consumer psychology indicate that passengers who gain unexpected access to premium facilities often justify additional purchases throughout their journey, viewing enhanced spending as consistent with their elevated travel status. The economics of essential services. Airport pricing strategies reveal a masterclass in captive market economics, where essential services command premium rates due to limited alternatives and time constraints. Bottled water consistently costs several times more than street prices, despite federal regulations requiring free water access at most major hubs. This pricing disparity extends across all categories, from food and beverages to basic travel accessories and services. Transportation services exemplify this economic manipulation most clearly. Taxi services operating from airports typically charge substantially higher rates than equivalent rides originating from city centers, taking advantage of travelers' unfamiliarity with local pricing and their urgency to reach destinations. Smart travelers increasingly turn to ride-sharing applications, though these services also implement dynamic pricing strategies during peak travel periods. The science of passenger flow. Airport architects and retail strategists collaborate to create carefully designed environments that maximize both passenger comfort and commercial opportunities. The placement of seating areas near shopping districts reflects deliberate planning. Retail psychology studies suggest that travelers positioned within sight of retail displays show increased likelihood of making impulse purchases during extended waiting periods, particularly when departure delays occur. Terminal design incorporates principles from environmental psychology, using lighting, color schemes, and spatial arrangements to influence mood and decision-making processes. The period after security clearance, when passengers have time but limited mobility options, it represents a crucial revenue window. Industry analysts recognize this timeframe as generating substantial portions of airport retail income through strategic placement and carefully timed promotional announcements. Behind-the-scenes operations. The logistics of modern aviation create numerous opportunities for operational shortcuts that benefit both airlines and informed passengers. Baggage handling systems at many facilities operate on practical lasting first-out principles, meaning strategically timed check-ins can influence baggage retrieval priority upon arrival. This operational reality stems from loading procedures that prioritize efficiency and aircraft balance over passenger convenience considerations. Flight scheduling incorporates significant buffer time that airlines rarely discuss openly with passengers. Published arrival times typically include substantial padding to account for potential delays, ground traffic, and gate positioning requirements. This industry-wide practice allows airlines to maintain better on-time performance statistics while creating operational flexibility, even when flights encounter minor complications during the journey process. The duty-free myth. Duty-free shopping represents one of international travel's most persistent misconceptions, with many travelers believing these stores offer universally better prices than traditional retail outlets. Market analysis reveals that while alcohol and tobacco products often provide genuine savings, categories like electronics, cosmetics, and luxury goods frequently cost more than comparable city center retailers. The complexity increases for travelers with connecting flights through different jurisdictions. Liquid restrictions apply inconsistently across international hubs, meaning duty-free purchases from one airport may face confiscation at connection points. This regulatory patchwork has created a multi-billion-dollar industry built partially on consumer confusion about international trade laws and security protocols. Food, health, and hidden costs. Airport dining presents a fascinating case study in brand licensing and operational compromise. Celebrity chef restaurants operating in airport terminals rarely maintain the same quality standards as their flagship locations due to security restrictions on ingredient sourcing, limited kitchen facilities, and the challenges of maintaining consistency across multiple locations managed by third-party operators. The health implications of airport environments extend beyond overpriced food options. Medical research has identified significant correlations between proximity to major aviation hubs and increased cardiovascular disease rates, primarily attributed to chronic noise pollution exposure. Additionally, air quality monitoring consistently shows elevated levels of nitrogen dioxide and other pollutants around busy airports, affecting both workers and frequent travelers. Hidden amenities and services. Major airports contain numerous passenger amenities that remain largely undiscovered due to minimal promotion and strategic placement away from high-traffic areas. These include meditation rooms, prayer spaces, art galleries, fitness facilities, and even sleeping pods available for hourly rental. Some international hubs feature swimming pools, golf simulators, and comprehensive spa services that rival luxury resorts. The most intriguing airport secret might be the annual lost luggage auctions, where unclaimed belongings are sold to the public after statutory waiting periods expire. These events, held at locations like the Unclaimed Baggage Center in Alabama, generate millions in revenue annually while offering treasure hunters the opportunity to purchase everything from electronics to designer clothing at significantly reduced prices. Empowered travel. Understanding these airport secrets transforms the travel experience from passive participation to informed navigation. Armed with knowledge about surveillance systems, pricing strategies, hidden amenities, and operational procedures, modern travelers can make better decisions about their time and money while moving through these complex environments. The key lies in recognizing that airports are sophisticated business operations designed to maximize revenue from every passenger interaction as global air travel continues to expand. With passenger numbers projected to double by 2040, these insights become increasingly valuable. The aviation industry will continue evolving its strategies to influence passenger behavior, but informed travelers will always maintain an advantage in this elaborate dance between commerce and transportation. Thank you for joining us on this journey behind the scenes of modern aviation. If you found these revelations fascinating, please subscribe to the World Documentaries for more eye-opening investigations into the hidden systems that shape our daily lives. Like this video if it changed your perspective on air travel, and share your own airport discoveries in the comments below. We love hearing about your experiences and insights that could help fellow travelers navigate these complex environments more successfully.